Children, today we are going to discuss the filling the blanks. Okay, filling the blanks and true or false and match the following. All are book exercises for the 7th lesson. First Roman letter, filling the blanks. Washing clothes and utensils near the water bodies leads to dash pollution. What pollution makamma? Washing the clothes, utensils nenama paatrangal ella kaluvuradhu. Utensils near water bodies. Water bodies meaning river, pond, streams, small neerode. Adella near the home side have some children, some people are washing the cloth nanipanga. Utensils also washing the utensils, clean the utensils also. Adu what pollution cause the water pollution. Cause the water pollution. WATER, water pollution. Water from dash and dash is a salty and unfit for drinking. Unfit for drinking, salty. Where is the taste for the salty? Which water is the taste for the salty? In the oceans and seas. Oceans and seas. Seas waters are the salty. This is uppu suvai. So seas on oceans layum, seas also. Instead of a shower, use a dash and a mug to take a bath. Enna use pannuvinga? Mug vache. Which one use? Use in the bucket. Bucket. Instead of a shower, use a bucket and a mug to take a bath. Next one. Drinking dash water causes diseases. Which water is causes the disease? The impure water. Impure water. Insoluble impurities are mixed with water. In the impure water is causes the many diseases. Cholera, typhoid, for another many other diseases are caused in the which water? In the impure water. The process of conversion of water into water vapor is known as the evaporation. EVAPORATION, evaporation. The process of conversion of water into water vapor. Water in the water vaporized. Water vapor meaning small tiny water droplets are known as the water vapor. What method? The method is the evaporation. Evaporation. Next one. Water takes the dash of the container, it is poured in. Water takes the dash of the container, it is poured in. Which one? The shape of the container. What container ma? The shape of the container. Water takes the shape of the container, it is poured in. Next one, 7th one. The properties of water that we can observe are its dash properties of water. Water no shape, no color, no odorless, no smell, that only the properties of the water. The water is the properties are observed. Observe are its shape, color, and taste and odor. Taste and odor. Taste and odor. Dash impurities are the impurities that do not. Impurities are the impurities that do not dissolve in water. Which impurities are not dissolved in water? Insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities are the impurities that do not dissolve in water. During sedimentation, the insoluble impurities that settle at the bottom of the container are called the container. Container settlement agda the container what told? The told on the sediments. Sediments. Okay children, one more time repeat the filling the blanks. Washing clothes and utensils need water bodies leads to dash pollution. Water pollution. Water from dash and dash is a salty and a unfit for drinking. Oceans and seas. Instead of a shower, use a dash and a mug to take a bath. Which one? Bucket. Drinking dash water causes diseases. Which water causes diseases? Impure water. The process of conversion of water into water vapor is known as the evaporation. Next one, water takes the dash of the container it is poured in. Shape. The properties of the water that we can observe are its shape, color, taste and odor. Odor meaning what ma? Taste, color la color la. Odor la ma? Not have the smell. Water have a smell la? No. Anyone mixed in the water come to the smell. Okay. Dash impurities are the impurities that do not dissolve in water. Insoluble. Insoluble. During sedimentation, the insoluble impurities that settle at the bottom, the container are called the sediments. Container are called the sediments. Next to Roman letter, right, true or false. First one, water gas a no odor. Isn't it? Water gas a odor amma? No odor, no. Answer is true. True. Next one, water has a definite shape. Water have a shape? No shape. That one answer is false. Next one, water is transparent. Water is transparent. Answer is true. Just like water, juices are tasteless. Just like the water, juices are tasteless. Okay, answer what ma? False. Next one, the rainwater that gets collected in the ponds and lakes is clean. The rainwater are the clean amma? No ma. The rainwater collected in the ponds or lakes are, now you say clean or no. Many impurities are mixed in the rainwater. Come down the underground water, it is mixed with the impurities. Many impurities are mixed it. Okay, yeah, answer false. Next one, in the sedimentation process, the impurity settle at the bottom. If the water is kept in and disturbed, the water is get disturbed ma. What ma? The sedimentation process, the impurities settle at the bottom. If the water is disturbed, is the answer undisturbed? Answer is what ma? Answer is true. In the decantation process, the clean water is passed through the sieve. False. Answer is false. Filtration is the method of purifying water. Answer is true. Listen one more time, repeat the true or false. Water has no odor. Answer true. Water has a definite shape. Answer is false. Water is a transparent. Answer is true. Okay, just like a water, juices are tasteless. False. Water oda add panna another taste varum. Not have the right on the tasteless. Answer false. The rainwater that gets collected in the ponds and lakes is clean. Clean. Answer false. In the sedimentation process, the impurities settle at the bottom. If the water is get undisturbed. Answer is true. In the decantation process, the clean water is passed through the sieve. Answer false. Filtration is the method of purifying water. Answer is the true. Answer is true. Next one, match the following. First one answer is purifying water. How to purify the water? Boiling method, chlorination method and the filtration method. The purifying water is the first answer is filtration. First answer is filtration. Next one, soluble impurities. Which one is the soluble? Insoluble meaning in what ma? Insoluble na chikra, it is dissolved in the water. Okay, insoluble not dissolved in the water. Okay, soluble impurities are salt. Insoluble impurities are sand. Water is transparent. Chlorine, the chlorine, which one kills the microorganism? Kills the microorganism. One more time, purify water is the filtration method. Soluble impurities is the salt. Salt is easily dissolved in water. Insoluble impurities is the sand, not dissolved in the water for the sand. Next one, water is what ma? Transparent, and chlorine is the kills the microorganism. Okay, children. Next one, define the following. First one is the sedimentation. First one what ma? Sedimentation. Second one, decantation and chlorination. You learn the first one, sedimentation. When the impure water in the container is allowed to stand still for some time. Impure water nenama, waste water, all the impurities, all the particles are mixed in the water is the impure water. The impure water in the container allowed to stand still for some time. Some time andana sei thanni uttunalum and the impurities alla settle aga many times konja nera still for some time. The insoluble impurities settle at the bottom of the container. Insoluble, soluble the impurities, no, insoluble. Example for the sand, small pebbles, all the insoluble impurities are settled at the bottom of the container. This process is known as the sedimentation. This process is known as the sedimentation process. Okay, sedimentation, when impure water in a container is allowed to stand for some time, still stand for some time, the insoluble impurities settle at the bottom of the container. This process is called the sedimentation. This process is called the sedimentation. Next one is decantation. Next method is the decantation method. Decantation method is water purification when the water is gently poured in the another container. Innoru container la medhuva gently the sedimentation panni and the water eduthu enna pannana, it is the pour to another container. It is the slowly gently poured in the another container without disturbing the sediment. Don't disturb the impurities, insoluble impurities alla, no, don't disturb it, and enna pannana the another container la disturb illama slowly gently poured in the another container is known as the decantation method. This method is decantation. Decantation is the method of water purification when the water is gently poured in the another container without disturbing the sediments. Next one, chlorination. Chlorine involves the addition of the chlorine to water the purify it. Chlorine, many water, the waters la வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, water the addition of the which one is added, the chlorine powder. Chlorine powder is the one chemical. Chlorine powder is added. Then the water is the purified. The water only purified. Chlorine kills most of the microorganism. In the some microorganism meaning all are no bacteria, virus, or the microorganism or protozoan microorganism. Then only not it is not naked in kannala paaka mudiyadhu. Only seen under the electron microscope. That only mixed in the present in the impure water. Fully the microorganism are present in the impure water. The impure water are you are drinking, you come to the many other diseases. Many diseases are come and attack it. Okay, அதனால impure water என்ன பண்ணதுக்கு இந்த எதை போடுறாங்க, kills the microorganismத்துக்கு which powder is added in the chlorine powder. Okay amma, chlorine involves the addition of chlorine to water to purify it. Chlorine kills most of the microorganism present in the impure water and makes it shape of the consumption consumption. Okay children, one more time repeat the sedimentation, decantation and chlorination method. First method, sedimentation method. When impure water in a container is allowed to stand still for some time, the insoluble impurities settle at the bottom of the container. This process is called sedimentation. Next one, decantation. Decantation is a method of water purification when the water is gently poured into the another container without disturbing the sediments. Next one, chlorination method. Chlorine involves the addition of chlorine to water to purify it. Chlorine kills most of the microorganism present in impure water and make it shape for the consumption. என்ன பண்ணுது, chlorine powder add பண்ணறாத many microorganism இருக்கிற எல்லா not many microorganism are mixed in the impure water. அதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுது, it kills the chlorine powder, chlorine. Okay அம்மா, chlorine involves the addition of chlorine of water to purify it. போட்டா purify ஆயிருது. Chlorine kills most of the microorganism present in impure water and makes it safe for a consumption. Okay children, thank you ma.